everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new branch in your GitHub repository. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So first things first, you're going to make sure that you're already in your GitHub account. And then from your repository, you're going to tap on this drop down menu right here. So you can see here the number of branches that you currently have. Now you don't need to go to that. You're just going to click on this drop down menu beside it, and then from here you're going to find or create a branch. So what you're going to do is you're just going to enter a name, or like you're going to name your branch. So for example, we want to name this branch 1. And then if nothing comes up, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this create branch 1 from main. Now from there, once you click on this, I'm gonna wait for this. And then as you can see here, we have already created a new branch. And that's it. That is how you can create a new branch in GitHub repository. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.